Good day! In today's video, we will learn the words that start with letter A. A sounds a, a, a. Say it with me. A sounds a, a, a. That's great! These are the words that start with letter A. Apple. A is for apple. Now it's your turn. Good job! Avocado. A is for avocado. Your turn. Good job! Ant. A is for ant. Your turn. Good job! Alligator. A is for alligator. Your turn. Good job! Alpaca. A is for alpaca. Your turn. Good job! Astronaut. A is for astronaut. Your turn. Good job! Ambulance. A is for ambulance. Your turn. Good job! Abacus. A is for abacus. Your turn. Good job! Arrow. A is for arrow. Your turn. Good job! Axe. A is for axe. Your turn. Good job! Anchor. A is for anchor. Your turn. Good job! Let's name them all together. Apple. Avocado. Ant. Alligator. Alpaca. Astronaut. Ambulance. Abacus. Arrow. Axe. Anchor. That's wonderful! You did very well.